All right, we're going to add rational numbers using the common denominator for 7th graders, chapter 1.3. The first time I did this, I used the butterfly method, but I think that some teachers still use the finding a common denominator. What you'll do is you'll take the negative 8 over 3 plus 5 over 6 and you'll write it vertically. Now I want you to notice that you're going to subtract because the signs are different, but since 8 over 3 is really over 2 and you're talking about the absolute value of that, this is like a number over 2, my answer will end up being negative, but I will subtract. You're going to have a common denominator to be able to do this. You can't add the numerators until you get a common denominator. So the first thing I check is to see if the smaller number goes into the larger number. And does 3 go into 6? It does, 2 times. So I am going to use 6 as my common denominator. Now to get the new numerator here, 6 goes into 6 one time, and 1 times 5 is 5. And 3 goes into 6 2 times, and 2 times 8 is 16. All right. So now that I have the same denominator, I keep the denominator, and 16 minus 5, remember I'm subtracting, is going to be 11. And since this number had the largest absolute value, it will be negative 11 over 6. Now on this one, you have a mixed fraction that you need to make improper to be able to work with it. So to make that improper, 8 times 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11 over 8. Don't forget he's negative, plus 3 over 4. Now we'll write it as negative 11 over 8 added to 3 over 4, and we'll consider if my sign will end up being positive or negative. Since 8 goes into 11 more than one time, 1 with 3 8s left over, and that's bigger than 3/4, because this is a fraction, my answer will be negative. I will keep that in mind again. All right, I need a common denominator, and I'll just see, does 4 go into 8 evenly? Yes, it does. So the common denominator will be 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times, 2 times 3 is 6. 8 goes into 8 one time negative 11 is negative 11. So I will subtract because the signs are different. I'm going to get a negative 5 over 8.